So, I'm going to use, this is a foam board for gum paste flowers. Probably the craft stores have those, but certainly cake supply places have those. This is a leaf texture mat, leaf press, and...
Is it a Vayner?
Yeah, it's from, what does that say? Wow, I'm starting to need glasses. EMM, it's made in England. I don't know. You can get these all sorts of places. All right, yeah. Okay, so these are my nifty sugar shapers from Innovative Sugar Works. Love those guys. And I'm going to...
Can we take a quick look at that Innovative Sugar Works?
These are cool.
What is that?
These are a nifty set of tools that have small and large on either side. And they basically take the place of gum paste tools.
Okay.
And I think these are way better myself.
Cool.
And they're more modern. They're more for what we really need them for today, for the weird things that we do today. Obviously, if you are super into gum paste flowers, you'll want your standard set of gum paste tools, but I think for what I do, these are way better.
Well, plus they have what you really require, and that's color.
I know, right?
Yeah, it has
They're
color.
colorful.
Okay, so there you go. That's all you need.
So I'm in.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. I think I want this as an outer edge, and I want this as an outer edge, so I'm just going to flip it right there. Because see how cabbage leaves are, things in nature are in odd numbers, funny enough. So you want 1, 2, and 3 as your cover of the ball of the cabbage.
3 cabbage leaves.
Yep.
Large.
So I'm going to thin out. I can probably get away with almost, well, we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to use this end. This is the larger end of this guy. And I'm going to thin out the edge. It kind of curls. Can you see that? It starts curling a little bit.
Yep.
Curving.
So you're just applying a little bit of pressure to the end of it, to the edges.
Right. And
on the foam.
This has some give because it's foam. If I mean, I could try to do it on here, but see how it pulls harder?
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Can you see that? And it doesn't give me a very good...
Yeah.
This is much more appropriate. Okay, now, cabbage leaves also have the big white veins in them. So I'm going to go through and add the big guys this way. Then, here it is. Then I'm just going to take this guy and press it kind of along those to give all the smaller veining in there. So I don't want the outer edge of this, I just want the middle. So just press down on the middle. See, I'm just pressing down the middle, and I'm not pressing the whole thing down. If it starts to stick, just throw a little bit of cornstarch on it. Okay, so there's one of our
cabbage leaves.
Now, don't freak out about the back end because that's not even going to be seen anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Just for wrapping purposes. Okay, so let's do this guy. Might even be able to cut that and use it as another one. Let's see. Woo! Easy there, Doug.
So what is the process called that you're doing right now?
What's the actual term for it? Ruffling.
Ruffling. So you're only ruffling about 3/4 of an inch?
Maybe a full inch.
An inch?
Yeah. Okay, I'm doing my big veins again.